Nah, man, that wasn't no speech. He was asleep. That motherfucker wasn't even that. They green screened him in, man. Why was Nancy Pelosi and Kamala Harris bouncing up and down behind him? Cause the cameraman trying to let us know this dude's on a green screen. They green screened him in. He wasn't even there, y'all. Tell you, Biden already died. I think he died like right after the motherfucking inauguration. He's a clone. And his wife is in on it. That's why she out in the audience with a mask on. She know he wasn't up there. Everybody in there know he wasn't there.
She's the handler.
She's the handler. They all the handlers.
Yo, you heard of the rapper Kid Boo?
Who?
Kid Boo.
Who's Kid? No, man. Come on. You talking about some young rapper?
Yeah.
You talking about Kid Boo?
Kid Boo. Kid
Who?
Boo.
Hold on. Kid Boo.
Boo.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Let's just stick with the name. Kid Boo. Boo. Okay. So yeah, he scares a lot of people. It's Kid Boo.
So he's claiming he escaped from a phone factory.
Well, he named himself Boo, and he's Kid Boo. I think it's not a claim. I think it's a fact. That motherfucker escaped from a clone factory. Now he's supposed to be a clone up.
This nigga went on Instagram Live with his phone.
Oh no, I know exactly what you're talking about. It's the he spelled it B-U-U from Dragon Ball Z. Yeah. I'm sorry.
See these youngsters that's filming me, they I don't know what the kid B-U-U, but it's Kid Boo. And supposedly Kid Boo went on stage with his clone. Did they look alike?
Exactly like.
Okay then. So I take it to be true. Cause if you think cloning ain't real, nigga, you better check your motherfucking driver's license. Might not be you on that picture. What if you ain't you? What if they killed you in your sleep? And your clones downloaded your memories and walking around faking like it's you. See, but those memories dissipate and those clones gotta die, nigga, cause they soulless. You have to keep cloning, and the brain and the tissue, it deteriorates over time to where he died of natural causes. Now y'all killed him motherfucking clone. His clones died of natural causes. How many times did they die? Yeah.